I was finishing my previous project when I realized I ran out of drywall material. Well, since I have a lot of leftover wood scraps, why not turning this recessed area into some sort of stud space cabinets? Hmm, sounds interesting. My exterior wall is made up from plaster. Pretty hard, but I don't want to use that directly as the inside of the storage stuff. So I'm gonna use this plywood, pretty thin one, as a liner. No more talking. It's time to get my hands dirty. That was some serious cutting measurements. I got all the internal liners cut and ready to assemble. Alright, so I've made all four boxes. The last piece is a little bit interesting because I ran out of my plywood material. So I made up of a long strip to make it up. Hopefully it's not gonna make it too ugly. I worked pretty late last night to get all the boxes painted. I didn't have good lighting at night to appreciate the beautiful color until I opened the garage door. It looks amazing. So more painting, then I can leave them to dry while working on the other stuffs. Next will be the most important thing to put this door on. Just to make life easier, so I can put this door on, rest this door on this piece of wood, make my life easier. Alright, let's do the same thing again, but on the opposite side of the same supporter. The doorknobs and door catches. You can put everywhere on the cabinet's rim, but I would prefer to put next to the doorknobs maybe, which give you a direct force.
is you have to make sure the stroke lines up with the magnet. But how to do this? Because you can't see anything. So here's my trick. Use a marker. Let's a little bit mark on the corners. Don't worry, it's dirty, it's fine, it's to be covered. Yeah, enough mark. Then gently press the against it. Alright. So, as you can see here, there was ink. If you can see it, left some marks on the corner of the door, which give me a good reference of where they should go. So that's my trick. Hopefully guys you learned something, and hopefully it's going to be useful for you guys too. Get out. Nice.
It took me 2 days to get this project done. I'm very happy that it turned out nice. Hope this also gives you some ideas for your next project. Thank you for watching.